Bully fam, TBK West back with another video. Today we showing y'all a couple of pups that are available. We got two males. We got this fawn boy right here, and we got this black boy right here. We're just getting some exercise with their sister, with Maya. You guys can give me a call at 951-595. Beautiful quality, healthy Frenchies right here, man. See, they're just playful, full of joy. Got all these shots. They've been the worms. Just out here playing, enjoying themselves. This black boy right here, he's a beautiful specimen. He carries blue. May possibly carry the AT gene as well. We got this beautiful fawn boy right here. He definitely carries the AT gene and the blue. Little dude, looking just like his mom. We're playing with Maya. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see some good quality pups right there. You heard something. They're on alert, protecting the yard. You already know. Maya right here chilling, playing, just, you know, soaking up the sun. Relaxing, looking beautiful as ever, you know what I'm saying? Chilling. But yeah, man, just wanted to give y'all some footage of these little bad boys right here. They do come out and get exercise daily, as far as the adults as well. And you know, I don't always bring the camera out with me, but I figure I'll give y'all some updates. Y'all can give me a call, give me a text if you're interested. You know what I'm saying? I do appreciate everybody who has been hitting me up, man. I've been getting hit up like crazy. I do got some females coming for y'all. So many people waiting on females, but don't worry, they coming. But yeah, y'all, just another day. Nice little update. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, nothing too much going on. I just need to clean up really around here. Get all this stuff cleaned up. But yeah, we got more videos coming, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Get y'all some of this ground footage of these beautiful dogs, man. Tell me what y'all think, all right? I'm out of here. Peace. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you, man. All right, to the next one. Alright, y'all. We here. I'm about to do this third AI. Sprinkles time Bluesont. Hopefully we get something. Yeah, man. Let's see. Got the usual ingredients. Gloves, syringes, pipettes, sperm collector. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. It's old. I didn't have that. That's old. I had that for like 3 years. Yeah, man. So, it's time. It's time to do it. Are y'all ready? You ready? I'm ready too. Alright, let's get it, man. Alright, we done, y'all. Sprinkles time Bluesont. Hopefully we get something out of here.
All girls, man.
Yeah, all girls, that's what we looking for. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out my How to Do It AI video. Show y'all exactly what we just did, man. Alright? We out of here, man. Peace, peace.